all-new Frontier design combines aggressive and modern style, with more than 6 decades of experience bringing compact and mid-size trucks to Canadian customers. The all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier brings the power, capability, utility, maneuverability, and technology that drivers need to take on both weekday work and weekend adventures. Frontier features a powerful front end with a massive grille and chiseled hood, framed by new precision, interlocking LED headlights, and even more aggressive look. A wide, elevated stance and massive vertical fenders evoke durability and strength, accentuated by a high eye point and high shoulder bodysides, where natural light and shadows meet. In the rear, precision lighting features a machined, structural look, with the lamps appearing to clamp to the body sides. Seamlessly blending with the powerful new exterior, designers gave the all-new interior of the 2022 Frontier a feeling of protection and versatility with modern functionality. Helping set the stage is an available, largest in-class 9-inch color touchscreen 2 with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that are standard on all models. Further making life easier, a standard, largest in-class 7.0-inch advanced driver assist display offers configurable information directly in front of the driver. Addressing common customer needs, Frontier provides 4.0 liters of center console storage. The engineering team refined and tuned the powertrain. The standard 310 horsepower, 3.8-liter direct injection V6 engine, which was all new for 2020 with 93% new or redesigned parts, offers best-in-class horsepower. Torque is rated at 281 lb-ft. Matched to the engine is a 9-speed automatic transmission designed to maximize efficiency and provide strong acceleration. The all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier arrives and stays true to its heritage while meeting the needs of modern midsize truck buyers.